SWFTC is suddenly back on the radar after a sharp 30% pump in the last 24 hours, pushing the token to trade around $0.006 and waking up a community that's been waiting for a breakout. The move wasn't just some random spike. This pump came with a noticeable surge in trading volume, signaling that buyers are stepping in hard and the market is starting to pay attention again. Right now, a lot of the excitement around SWFTC is coming from renewed interest in cross-chain payment solutions. Switch Protocol has been focusing on making global crypto payments cheaper, faster, and more scalable. And in a time when stablecoin adoption is growing at record speed, payment-focused tokens are starting to run again. SWFTC is one of those coins catching fresh momentum. Traders today noticed a wave of activity happening across Asian markets, especially Korea and Singapore, where SWFTC often sees heavy liquidity. As volume jumped, it broke past a key resistance zone, forcing short-term traders to flip bullish and join the push upward. Once that breakout happened, the chart started looking cleaner than it has in weeks, and the sentiment shifted instantly. There's also some buzz floating around that Switch Protocol may roll out new integrations with additional payment processors or cross-chain bridges. Not officially confirmed yet, but these rumors tend to fuel rallies like the one we are seeing today. The broader market also helped the move, with small-cap altcoins getting renewed energy, and SWFTC fit right into that rotation. So the big question now is, where does SWFTC go from here? At its current level around $0.006, the next major area traders are watching is the $0.0075 to $0.008 zone. If the volume stays high and market sentiment remains positive, that level could get tested sooner rather than later. Beyond that, a push toward 1 cent becomes possible, a psychological level that brings in massive attention every time SWFTC approaches it. In a stronger bullish scenario, where Switch Protocol confirms any new partnerships or ecosystem updates, some traders are even talking about the possibility of a medium-term run toward 2 cents, which would mark a full breakout from the year's consolidation channel. That would require sustained momentum, but the structure forming right now is the most bullish the chart has looked in months. Of course, after a 30% pump, some pullback is normal. Profit-taking tends to show up quickly for coins in this price range, and SWFTC could temporarily cool down towards $0.0052 if volume dips. But what matters more is the overall trend, and right now that trend is turning upward with strong confirmation.